The Redondo Beach Police Department started the Drone as a First Responder program several years ago and is actually one of the first agencies to actually begin a DFR program. The program allows us to launch a drone and send it to calls so that we can get an eye in the sky, feeding us intelligence and information as quickly as possible so that we can respond in the most efficient and effective manner we possibly can. When a call comes in, our officers are responding in under 5 minutes. That is our goal, and we typically meet that goal. The drone has now allowed us to get eyes on a call in less than 90 seconds. Seconds save lives in these types of instances. One specific incident that happened not too long ago was a call of somebody that was possibly DUI. Prior to the officers arriving on scene, the drone was able to locate the vehicle and confirm the license plate and relay that information to the police officers. It allowed the police officers to arrive on scene and identify the vehicle without delay, which subsequently fled from the scene, and there was a short pursuit. The pursuit lasted a couple of miles, with the drone following the entire way until the officers were able to perform a pit maneuver, disable the suspect's vehicle, and take the suspect safely into custody. Without that drone response to identify the vehicle could have fled and possibly somebody else could have been injured. This is a perfect example of using all the technology that's available to us in order to safely resolve an incident and minimize risk to the public. I think that Aerodome is the industry leader right now. The camera quality, the speed of the drones, it's a very user-friendly system that allows us to provide the best possible information to the responding officers. It really sets apart Aerodome from other drone companies that we've worked with.